Hi, this is Ashley coming to you from Halton Honda with another great pre-owned vehicle. Today we are checking out the 2016 midsize SUV of the year, the Jeep Cherokee Sport. This brilliant black crystal pearl Jeep has a 2.4-liter engine producing 184 horses. This front-wheel drive Jeep will take you around town in heated cloth seats and keep you informed with the driver info center. Plug in any of your devices and enjoy features like a heated steering wheel, Bluetooth, even an onboard compass. In addition to the utility you expect from an award-winning SUV, this one will even warm your wipers. Book your test drive today at 905-632-5371.